Yeah, I just want to say thank you. I think it was awesome. It was a great experience. It was intimate. It was quite informal. It was a successful experiment. I think we'll do it again next year at Adopting Bitcoin Cape Town in 2027. And thank you very much for coming out. I'm not going to add too much. I'll just say it was inspiring to hear all the stories. I think a lot of people today got to say something in front of a group of people for the first time. And this is also why we do one of these events. It's tough to give this amount of stage time to circular economy builders at a regular conference because you've got so many other people that want to speak at the conference. So that's another good reason to do this. So yeah, thanks again. Don't know if you guys want to add anything, please do. I don't have anything else to say other than once we are done, can we get all the project leads or anybody that's here representing a circular economy to come up and we'll take a group photo if you don't mind. Thank you.
Thank you again. I just want to amplify what Hermann has said. You guys made this success. Words will not do justice to say the least of what you have been able to do on this special day. We are super, super grateful to have all of you share your input and all the experiences. And we look forward to having more of such. And yeah, please, let's stay connected and keep building the churches.
I think it's been a success. When we were planning it, we had mixed feelings because we'd just done one 1 month ago in Mauritius. But looking at the impact it's had on the projects alone, because there's been a bit more failure sharing. So I deeply appreciate that we've shared our failures. One thing though stood out, I think some people thought they'd come for like 20 minutes or 30, and then I've seen all of them stay. So whoever canceled whatever they were supposed to do, we appreciate that you stayed with us. You know, you can feel it when people come in and sit at the back. So they are ready to leave. But some of you who had come in earlier, I saw you move to the front. I saw you change your mind. I saw you interact with people. And I appreciate every minute you spared. Now, as we enter the conference, these guys won't be busy. These people that spoke here. So please, ask them questions. If you got any ideas on how their projects can do better, connect them with people, network with them. And most importantly, visit their projects. I won't stop saying that because that empowers them in the way that they work. I'm glad to work with these guys. They do majority of the work. And it's exciting to know that there will be a second because this has been a great success. Thanks to all of you. In a special way, I would like to have our MCs stand up for a round of applause. Yeah, that's all the payment they get. Just for clarity. So those of you who represent organizations in the room, next year, if we're doing the summit again, we need your funds. I'm not going to be shy to say it. Hermann struggled a lot to find funding to pull this off, and such things take resources. So if you feel like you've been impacted, you've learned something, please, you can commit early to just knock out the whole budget. It's a very small budget. I'm sure it will bring so much value next year. And hope to see you guys in the next Africa Bitcoin Circular Economy Summit.